And welcome to the Guatemala vlog. I cannot believe I'm here right now. We got in late last night, woke up early this morning, and we're hiking a volcano right now. So getting packed up, everything. I think it's about an 8-hour hike up, and then we sleep at the top, and then yeah. Are you so excited?
I'm so excited.
Okay, I don't know how to say the name.
I don't know, you better get it right though, Loki.
Yeah, Acetanago and then Fuego. We're so excited. So stay along for this. It's gonna be awesome, super fun video. Okay guys, we're at the base. So excited. About to go start. Wait,
So
this
excited.
is Brady, duh. You guys know Eve. So excited.
It's such a different breed.
Okay guys. Wait, how far are we?
Hello everyone! Should we check the Strava? Yeah. Wait, restart.
Wait, how are you feeling?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
out of
Yeah,
10.
you actually look great. So do you guys. We just had a
I
little
feel great.
You just had a sweet treat, so. Yeah, remember what he... Okay,
This is
we
not
made
a
it to
listen to your
lunch.
body moment. This is not
They
a
made us
listen to your-
sandwiches. Let's see how this is. Sandwich.
Good.
Okay, update. Putting layers on because it's getting cold. It's gonna be like 25, 30 degrees. Sorry guys, I'm updating. 25, 30 degrees tonight. Yeah. So we go to the base camp and then we have an hour and a half hike up to the volcano. And then we hike down in the dark, right? I'm excited though. It's so windy. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of our place. Like, this is unreal. Literally, that is a volcano behind me. Not the one we're hiking. The one we're hiking is that one. And we just took a little nap and you could like hear it rumbling and exploding. So it's like an hour and a half hike up to it there. We're all definitely tired, but I'll give you the tour. Okay, walk in. We're sharing it with some people, but the 4 of us took the top bunks. Eve's bed is little.
It's special.
Don't really know what's going on with it. Guys, the amount of food they have.
Yeah, I know. They have a stuff.
We are like rationing our food, running out. Like Eve, I think, and I both have a bar left.
I have 1 bar. Yep. I have a couple.
But yeah, going out. Like, what are you wearing with your? Are you wearing like jacket leaving? You know what I mean?
How does it feel?
What do you put?
So we're not moving. Like, I'm never really cold that much.
Yeah, I might do this.
Couple 100 pounds at a time.
That's where we're going. I know.
During
gonna die.
downhill, I'm like, I hate downhill. All I want to ever do is go uphill.
I know.
And then during uphill, I'm like, I hate uphill. I want to go.
Okay, guys, we're finishing our hike now. Hour and a half to the volcano to see it erupt. Super excited. Not looking too good. How are you feeling?
10 out of 10.
I think it's a mindset. I did die with that, but the game. We played a game.
Honestly, it's just the calves for me. And you gotta disconnect the calves from the body mentally.
Guys, we're all tucked in, sleeping, getting ready for bed. So tired. It's like 11 o'clock and we're waking up at 4:15 to go summit tomorrow and see the sun rise. So I'm really tired. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's 4:15 in the morning. And going to go hike up to the summit right now. Not feeling great, but still out. I got a lingering love. Let's turn it around. I don't wanna give up. 'Cause oh my God. I got a lingering love for this place. I got a lingering love for this place. Oh man, it's going. That's so sick, guys. Oh my God. We made it to the top. Oh
These
my
are questions
God.
we need to write down and
Guys, this has
listen
been
to
the coolest morning ever. Like, look at Eve right now. She's just so cool. Oh my God, this is my intro right now. Memories of, but I just can't let it go. The idea's gone, but I just can't let it go. Give me my yesterdays. Save it for all you can. Cheers, we just had breakfast, coffee.
It's 7 a.m. I think.
Woke up at,
It's really surprisingly 7 a.m.
basically woke up at like 3:45, 4. I feel like we were all like up by then.
Yeah.
We hiked up, honestly.
It was the best.
It was
So sick.
I was about to say I
Watch
died.
the photos. He and I were in pain. Well,
no,
the top was there.
Yeah, the top was insane. It was so worth it. The way up, I think my body's just so tired and sore from yesterday.
Yeah.
From so much hiking that I was just like, whoa. But then we got to the top and it was like, the sunrise was like over like one volcano and then another one.
The volcano was
so
many volcanoes.
Mm-hmm.
And then we like saw the whole progression of the sunrise.
It was insane.
Beautiful.
And we're, us and one other guy were the only ones to go. So it was just like such a king.
Well, we crater ran.
They did.
We crater ran.
Did you guys were like literally eating breakfast looking at the volcano? It's insane.
We all need to drink water.
Yeah, this has been so fun. Okay, heading down now.
Yeah.
Super excited.
Only
My legs
24 hours that whole journey.
My legs feel like jello.
Unsettling.
Bye. Okay, continuing on the video. We just got back, we got dressed, and now we're all like literally starving. So we're gonna go try to find some food. My face got so burnt up there today. I don't know. I just feel very dehydrated and need an actual meal. Like last night for dinner we had beef stew. Breakfast was just plain bread. So, yay! And now we're gonna go get food, walk around this town, city, walk around Antigua. So let's go. Alright guys, we just drove 3 hours and I like slept the whole time, and now I'm in tuk-tuk and we're driving like 10 minutes to this entrance of where we're staying and then to walk because the roads are too narrow. So excited to actually get there, and I'm exhausted. Shut up, guy. I'm sorry. This is a vlog. Please get here. I know. Guys, this is the walkway to the hotel.